Thermostat battery draining quickly? You gotta swap those batteries for some solid, high-quality alkaline ones. Like seriously, it makes a huge difference. So, first off, don't just grab any old battery from the junk drawer. Go for reputable alkaline batteries because they last way longer and keep your thermostat running smooth without those annoying low battery alerts popping up all the time. Also, check if your thermostat has an energy saving mode or smart features that might be draining the battery faster. Sometimes turning those off or tweaking the settings helps save juice. Make sure you're changing batteries regularly, like every 6 months or so, even if it still seems to work fine. That way you avoid unexpected shutdowns in the middle of winter or summer. If your thermostat is older, it might be worth upgrading to a newer model that uses less power or connects directly to your home's electricity to avoid battery problems altogether. Keep the thermostat clean and dust-free, because dirt can mess with the sensors and cause it to work harder, which sucks more battery life. Also, double-check that the batteries are inserted correctly. It sounds basic, but trust me, people mess this up way more than you'd think. Lastly, if you notice your batteries still drain super fast after all this, it could mean your thermostat has a wiring problem or a defect, so getting a pro to check it out is a smart move. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat battery draining quickly is using cheap, low-quality batteries that die fast and make you replace them way too often. Just don't do it, go alkaline every time. Another common issue is ignoring the warning signs, like blinking lights or low battery messages, until the thermostat just dies on you. Catching those early saves a lot of hassle. The third problem is skipping regular maintenance like cleaning and checking the battery contacts. Dirty contacts can cause poor connections that zap your battery faster. Fix these by always buying high-quality alkaline batteries, swapping them before they die completely, and giving your thermostat a quick clean now and then. If things still feel off, call an expert to look at the wiring or consider upgrading your unit. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors connect with clients who need their skills, making the whole home improvement hustle way easier for everyone.